All right, here we go. You just seen us unwrap the new Hummel sander, the IQ 426 HIPAA, brand new vacuum. Remember, this is not for the big machine. That big machine vacuum is so well, it doesn't need it. This is for our smaller machines. I was going to take this thing apart and put it back together, so we're just going to open it up, see what happens. Got the nuts and bolts. So we're going to be putting the attachments. There's some of the attachments. Got some wheels. Here's the beautiful. Woo. All right, we're gonna throw on these wheels, get this thing ready. Man, pretty, too pretty to use. All right, so there she is. Whew, beautiful. These cyclones you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The dust goes through there, so it keeps the dust out of the filter. This cleans the filter. Trash bag down here see-through, so you can see when it's filling up, but extremely powerful. Excited to use this. And there you go. Beautiful.